Hi guys, let's say if you are experiencing the problem where call constantly dropping and also you're not getting any text whatsoever, I'm going to show you exactly how you can resolve this. Also, I just want you to bear in mind that call can drop between cell phone towers and there are different reasons that can create this issue. But if you are constantly getting this problem where you are not getting calls, period, one of the first thing you will want to do is to check your phone to ensure you are getting signal at the top and make sure you're getting signal at the top. Then one of the things you can do, you can go to your settings, connections, then you want to go to SIM card manager. My phone is a dual SIM, so you will see that your SIM card is in properly. Also, what you can do here, you can go to mobile networks, network operators. You can also search automatically or you can search manually. I have two SIM cards in the phone, so I can search manually. Ensure that this is registered on the network, so you need to ensure that your phone is registered on the network or your calls will be dropped. There are times if the signal is low, the network can drop. So definitely you need to register on the network and it will say registered on network. Once it's registered on the network, you are good to go. So ensure that you do these steps and ensure that you search for network and connect registered. If that did not work, guys, what you want to do here, if this is not a network problem from your network provider phone company and it's a phone problem, what you want to do, you want to go to your about phone or you can go to your reset option, right? So as you can see here, I am going to reset here. You can reset your network settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth data, and also your mobile data. This will reset your Wi-Fi password as well. So if you have saved Wi-Fi password, you reset the settings. This will reset your network settings in the phone and you will be able to connect fresh. With a fresh connection, you will need to re-enter all of your Wi-Fi password as well. So if you happen to do that, then you go back to connections here. You go back to mobile networks. You ensure that you registered on your network operators. If it is a dual SIM, you search for the network operators or you connect to which one you currently on. So as you can see, this is what my phone currently found, the Digicel and Flow. This is what we have here in the Caribbean. The other thing that can be the problem as well is the network mode. Ensure that your phone is selected on the correct network. As you know, I have mine on Auto Connect. It's on 2G, 3G, and also LTE. Guys, some phones may not have all these options as to why you having this problem, because some of the network companies, they have a 2G antenna, they have a 3G, and they might have LTE. So they might have all of them, or they may only have one. So if you're on a phone that doesn't support, that can be the reason as to why your calls are being dropped. If your network provider is using a LTE antenna that is transmitting the signal to you, then that can be the problem. So guys, I show you in this video how to actually fix these issues. If you're having a problem where you are not getting any signal, this can possibly be a hardware issue with your IC connection for your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and also mobile network connections. So I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe.